Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into mind-blowing facts that will make you question your existence. Get ready to explore the deepest mysteries of the cosmos, from the expanding universe to quantum mechanics. We'll guide you through this exhilarating journey, where the laws of physics are challenged and reality seems to unravel. Prepare to have your mind blown. Stay tuned for a reality check you won't forget. Picture this. You're standing on a seemingly stationary Earth, gazing up at the night sky. But here's the catch. The universe is not what it seems. In fact, it's constantly expanding, like a balloon being inflated. This expansion, confirmed by Edwin Hubble's observations, means that galaxies are moving away from us at an accelerating rate. The universe was once much smaller and denser, originating from a single point in space-time, the Big Bang. Hold on tight because things are about to get really weird. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe is just one of many universes coexisting simultaneously. Imagine countless bubbles floating in a cosmic bath, each bubble representing a different universe with its own unique laws of physics. These theories open up the mind-boggling possibility of infinite parallel universes. Prepare to enter the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, where particles behave in ways that defy common sense. One of the most mind-bending phenomena is quantum entanglement, where two particles become linked, no matter how far apart they are. If you measure the spin of one electron and find it spinning up, you instantly know the other electron is spinning down. Quantum entanglement has profound implications for our understanding of reality, and could revolutionize fields like computing and communication. What if everything we perceive as real is nothing more than a sophisticated computer simulation? The simulation hypothesis proposes that our universe could be a simulation running on a super-advanced computer created by an unknown civilization. While the simulation hypothesis is impossible to prove or disprove, it raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in the cosmos. The universe is vast, teeming with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially even more planets. Given the sheer scale, it seems improbable that we're alone. Yet we haven't found any concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life. This is the crux of the Fermi paradox, highlighting the lack of evidence for them. The Fermi paradox remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in science. In the quantum realm, observation determines the outcome of an experiment. This is the observer effect. Imagine light passing through two slits. Without observation, we see an interference pattern. Observing the slits makes the pattern disappear. Time is a fundamental aspect of our everyday experience. We perceive it as linear, flowing from the past through the present and into the future. But what if our perception of time is merely an illusion, a construct of our minds rather than an inherent property of the universe? Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time, showing that it's not absolute but relative to the observer's frame of reference. The nature of time remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics. From our vantage point on Earth, it's easy to feel like our planet is the center of the universe. However, a glimpse at the cosmic perspective reveals a humbling truth. Earth is but a tiny speck of dust in the grand scheme of things. The universe is unimaginably vast, stretching for billions of light years in every direction. Our sun is just an average-sized star among billions in the Milky Way galaxy. The cosmic perspective is a powerful reminder of our place in the universe. Infinity is a concept that has fascinated mathematicians, philosophers, and theologians for centuries. It's the idea of something that is boundless, endless, and without limits. Mathematically, infinity is not a number but rather a concept that represents something larger than any conceivable number. It's used to describe sets that have no end, like the set of all natural numbers. The concept of infinity leads to some mind-bending paradoxes. The universe, as we observe it, seems remarkably fine-tuned for life. The fundamental constants of nature are precisely balanced to allow for the formation of stars, planets, and ultimately, life itself. The anthropic principle suggests that the universe must be compatible with the existence of observers, or else we wouldn't be here to observe it. While the anthropic principle is a subject of debate, it raises profound questions about the nature of our existence. Consciousness, the subjective experience of awareness, is one of the most profound mysteries in science and philosophy. How does the brain, a physical organ made up of neurons and synapses, give rise to the feeling of subjective experience? We know that certain brain regions are involved in consciousness, but we don't fully understand how these regions work together to create the experience of awareness. The nature of consciousness has far-reaching implications for our understanding of what it means to be human. In chaos theory, the butterfly effect is the idea that small actions can have large, unpredictable consequences. A butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could set off a chain of events leading to a tornado in Texas. It highlights the interconnectedness of complex systems and the difficulty of predicting long-term consequences. Imagine that everything we perceive as three-dimensional, including ourselves, is actually information encoded on a two-dimensional surface, like a hologram. This is the essence of the holographic principle, a mind-bending theory that challenges our very notion of reality. The holographic principle arises from the study of black holes, where the information content is proportional to its surface area, not its volume. If the holographic principle is correct, it means that our perception of reality as three-dimensional is an illusion. The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological model for the universe. It describes the universe as originating from an extremely hot, dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago. In this initial state, all matter and energy were concentrated into a single point, known as a singularity. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe has been expanding and cooling ever since this initial singularity. The Big Bang Theory is supported by a wealth of observational evidence. Astronomers have discovered that most of the universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy. These substances make up 95% of the universe's energy density, yet their nature remains unknown. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible. Dark energy is thought to drive the universe's accelerating expansion. Studying these mysteries is at the forefront of astrophysics. The universe is dynamic and ever-changing. What will become of it in the distant future? One possibility is the heat death, where the universe reaches thermodynamic equilibrium. The universe will expand and cool until all stars burn out and matter decays. It will become a cold, dark, and lifeless place. What is reality? It seems like a simple question, but it's one that has plagued philosophers and scientists for centuries. Is reality objective, existing independently of our minds, or is it subjective, a construct of our perceptions and experiences? Modern physics, with its emphasis on quantum mechanics and the observer effect, suggests that reality may be stranger and more counterintuitive than we ever imagined. The nature of reality is intimately tied to the nature of consciousness. The Kardashev scale, proposed by Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, is a hypothetical method of measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement based on the amount of energy it can harness and utilize. The scale has three primary types of civilizations. A Type 1 civilization can harness and utilize all the energy available on its home planet. A Type 2 civilization can harness the total energy output of its star. A Type 3 civilization can control energy on the scale of its entire galaxy. The Drake equation, named after astronomer Frank Drake, estimates the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. It considers factors like star formation rate, fraction of stars with planets, and the likelihood of life on habitable planets. Even conservative estimates suggest many civilizations. The equation highlights the vastness of the cosmos and the possibility that we are not alone. The Boltzmann brain hypothesis explores the idea that a self-aware entity could spontaneously arise due to random fluctuations in a state of thermodynamic equilibrium. Imagine a universe in a state of maximum entropy, where everything is evenly distributed. In such a universe, random fluctuations could lead to the spontaneous assembly of a complex structure like a human brain. While highly speculative, it raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and the possibility of our reality being a statistical fluke. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content. From the cosmos to quantum mechanics, we've explored mind-boggling concepts. The universe is full of mysteries. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. See you next time on our journey to the edge of reality.